everyone, and welcome. I'll be instructing staff on how to authorize equipment for students through the Broadcast and Media Operations online reservation system called R&R Booking. First, you must go to the website https://rrbooking.montclair.edu. Please make sure to include the S after HTTP or the website will not work. Using your MSU Net ID and password, you're going to log in. And click Sign In. Once R&R has loaded, you will see 3 tabs on the upper left-hand corner: Booking, My Bookings, and Authorization. We are going to work under the Authorization tab. Once you receive an email from your student, you will click the Authorization tab and locate your student's requests. Please keep in mind that you will see lots of other students' requests in the same tab, so you must look for your student's Net ID. Once located, you're going to select their equipment and hit Authorize Selected. However, if you feel there is an error with their request, such as they requested something they shouldn't have, please contact the student and inform them to make the appropriate changes to the request before you authorize. And that's how you authorize the equipment. Please refer to the student tutorial on how to sign out equipment. And as professors, you get to forego the authorization step because your equipment gets automatically authorized once the request is in place. That's the end of the demonstration. If you have any questions, feel free to call the BMO Cage at 973-655-6880.